All right, welcome back to the Mystery Box Reviews channel. Welcome to all of my new viewers as well. Today we'll be reviewing another mystery box, again from China, from AliExpress that I picked up. This is a little bit different from my last box in that I chose a seller who is a little bit, I guess, smaller, if you want to say that. The seller's name, I can put it on the screen or in the description, is Cycling Outdoor Store, and the first four letters CYCL are all in caps. The rest ING is in lowercase, which I found interesting. Though the seller's name is Cycling Outdoor Store, the majority of the products available on their AliExpress store are things like toys, like joke gifts. They had like the snake with the spring that jumps out of a potato chip can, and all sorts of other interesting toys. So figured that I saw that there was a mystery box available on their channel as well, and figured why not. This seller, also wanted to note, has a whopping 32.7% positive feedback. I took a look. Most of the feedback was left in other languages about items not received, so taking a bit of a chance. But this is the Mystery Box Reviews channel, and I take chances that you guys may not want to take, so all good. A little bit about the item description and the item title. So the item title is a little bit typical. 2022 new Lucky Gift Box, 100% surprise Lucky Mystery Box Boutique, 1 to 3 pieces, random item mystery blind box, best gift worth buying. That's a mouthful, and you could tell that it was written by a non-native speaker. But you know what? Why not? It's great copy. It probably gets them good search engine results on AliExpress and maybe on Google as well. But no problems there. Additionally, I just wanted to note quickly as well that I'm not being paid. I'm not receiving these boxes for free. I am buying these mystery boxes with my hard-earned cash. I mean, not all that much, obviously. This box was $4.75, including shipping. Shipped from mainland China. Took about 2 weeks and 3 days or so to get to me here in the United States. Another thing that I thought was interesting about the item description was the fact that the seller lists 6 rules, which I'll also put on the screen for you to take a look at, but I'll read them out as well. So rules, number 1, the item will be much expensive than the money you paid. That's a good one. If you saw my last video, that's not always going to be true. 2, all items are brand new and popular. 3, do not accept bad reviews. 4, do not accept disputes. 5, if the received item damaged, we can resend you a new one. That's nice. I like that. And number 6, finally, if you have any questions about it, please contact us freely. So again, pretty generic rules. I found it interesting that they do make a guarantee in a way that it's worth more than the money paid for the box. Again, that is definitely up for debate. Also, all items are brand new and popular. Popular is relative, obviously. We're not going to get into too much in terms of semantics, but all interesting stuff. So, rules, all taken care of. And then under the rules in the item description, of course, a picture of a box with all sorts of fancy and expensive items coming out: Nintendo Switch, Fuji Instax camera, laptops, AirPods, electric toothbrushes, you name it. Very nice imagery. So very nice item page. Looks like this item in particular has 4 past orders, so it's not wildly popular. That's another reason why I wanted to kind of take the chance here. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look and do some unboxing. All right, let's see what we can do here. There we go. Sorry for the plastic noise and my somewhat ineffective scissors. All right, let's see what we got. Feels like it's well packaged, which is good. Okay, some protective wrap. Okay, let's see what we got. All right. Looks like a number of items. First item appears to be a mini USB mouse. Not mini USB, but a small mouse with a standard USB connector. Great, that could be useful. Awesome. These are the glasses that OG or whatever, they're meme glasses, and I know these are popular. I've seen them on Amazon. Very cool. I don't know if I'll get, maybe I'll get some use out of those. And last item, what is this? This looks interesting. It's a toy of some sort, made in China. Some numbers. Let's open it up. Looks like maybe a keychain. Okay, the chain's still in the bag. What is this? Is this like a maze? Yeah, it looks like maybe there's a ball bearing in there, and it's meant to be like a maze. I don't know. It doesn't seem that anything's moving around though, so I'm not sure if it's a working item. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. If you happen to know what this is or supposed to be, please leave a comment. The other two items, pretty cool, not gonna lie. The meme glasses, sunglasses rather, and the mouse. I mean, hopefully the mouse will work. I could totally use this for work or whatever. It's an optical mouse also, by the way, not a ball mouse. So that's cool. These, I mean, I don't know if they have UV protection, but they might look pretty awesome. And yeah, so okay. All in all, $4.75. I'd say the mouse itself is worth a couple dollars. The sunglasses I've seen on Amazon for maybe $2 to $3 each. This, not sure. I don't even know what it is. But I would say this is less than $1. So was this mystery box worth more than $4.75, as the description insinuated? I don't know, honestly. I'm not disappointed in any way with what it came with. These sunglasses seem pretty awesome. The USB mouse is going to be useful, and this toy might be trash worthy. I don't see anything moving around in it, but I mean, I'll continue to try to figure it out and maybe update the comments or update the video description if I end up figuring out what it is or what it's supposed to do, and I can put that keychain holder through it. So if I had to rate this mystery box, I'd probably give it, in terms of value, maybe an 8 out of 10, given that I paid $4.75 for it, and it's worth nearly that much in my estimation. Shipping speed was quick, so that, I mean, given that it came from mainland China and took a little over 2 weeks to get here, maybe 8 or 9 out of 10 also, given the circumstances and all, with, you know, COVID and shipping slowdowns, etc. And then in general, it was packed quite well with a lot of this protective foam in the plastic envelope packer. So all in all, I would give this box an 8. Feel free to agree or disagree in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you might have an idea as to what this is. And feel free to like, share, subscribe for more mystery boxes. I have another one that's going to be unboxed pretty shortly. So hit that little bell as well once you subscribe to make sure you get all the latest updates from my channel. Thanks all for watching, and have a good one.